How to fix battery problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. In settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down and search for battery. After that, click on battery. After you've clicked on battery, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on battery saver. After you've clicked on battery saver, you'll find this option, turn on now. You can turn on your battery saver. After you've done that, you can simply go back and click on view detailed uses. After you've clicked on view detailed uses, you'll find all the apps that is using your battery. If you find any unwanted apps, simply go back to your home screen, then hold on to one of the apps and then uninstall the app. After you've uninstalled unwanted apps, you're good to go. You can also open settings. In here, click on Bluetooth and device connection. If your Bluetooth is connected or turned on, simply turn it off. Sometimes not connecting and turning on Bluetooth may reduce your battery. Another thing, go back and click on display. After you've clicked on display, you can adjust your brightness level as well. You can decrease brightness level by swiping the circle to the left side. And this is how to fix battery problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.